The concept of a backyard has evolved dramatically in recent years. No longer just an open space, backyards are now being transformed into personal oases, with pools and spas as their centerpiece. These trends reflect a growing desire for a private retreat that reflects personal style and environmental consciousness. They also cater to a lifestyle that values both aesthetics and functionality, making the backyard a focal point of home design. One significant trend in pool and spa landscaping is the use of native plants. GreenCare, for instance, utilizes a variety of native shrubs, grasses, and flowers to create a lush yet manageable garden feel around pools and spas. This approach not only enhances the beauty of the pool area, but also contributes to the biodiversity of the local ecosystem. Lighting plays a crucial role in landscaping, especially around pools and spas. Modern outdoor lighting solutions offer more than just functionality. They enhance the ambience and mood of the space. The versatility of these lighting options allows for creative expressions, enabling homeowners to set the mood for various occasions. Today's landscaping trends focus on creating a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living spaces. This integration is achieved through the thoughtful design of patios, outdoor kitchens, and lounge areas around the pool and spa. These designs encourage a more connected and versatile lifestyle by blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. The juxtaposition of water features and fire elements is a growing pool and spa landscaping trend. Waterfalls, fountains, and bubblers add a dynamic visual element to the pool, while also creating a soothing auditory experience. These elements also serve as focal points, drawing the eye and gathering people together, making them perfect for social gatherings. The integration of technology into pool and spa landscaping is revolutionizing how these spaces are used and maintained. Automated irrigation systems, programmable lighting, and smart pool monitoring systems are just a few examples of how technology is being used to enhance convenience and control. Homeowners can now enjoy the luxury of a high-tech oasis where every element is tailored to their preferences and needs. The transformation of backyards into luxurious oases is a trend that continues to gain momentum. These trends enhance the aesthetic appeal of outdoor spaces and promote a lifestyle where relaxation and nature blend effortlessly in the comfort of one's own backyard. The backyard oasis is no longer just a dream. It's a reality that is accessible and customizable for homeowners seeking their slice of paradise.